Hi, this is Michael Ellis, also known as Elias the Artist, and this is part 2 of the Make Gold from Orgonite series. Or, I don't know, I think it's part 2 anyways. I'll have to check. No, it's not part 2, it's part, like, 7 or something. But anyways, so you may have noticed some underwhelming results from your gold Orgonite production. You thought the jar was going to be full of this orange stuff, and you think it's probably just rust. Well, hold your horses, because you thought this Orgonite would do wonders. Well, actually, it has. It produced gold in the first place, and the salt, we'll get to that later. But what we're going to do now is we're going to take this little bit of gold, and that's going to act as our seed. And we're going to boil it with the salt, like a regular gold mine performs, but in our lab, and we're going to boil the gold seed with the salt, like happens in a regular gold mine deep underground, and we're going to multiply our gold content significantly, because we have to boil down all this water anyways, right? So we have this saline quantity of water, we have all this extra salt, so you'll find that when we boil down this water, let me read something, it will actually serve to multiply our gold significantly. That was from my other jar. This one was from our sand pyramid Orgonite. So yeah, so like even sand pyramid Orgonite works. So yeah, it doesn't have to be metal, it can be sand Orgonite too, and it will work as long as it's epoxy and quartz. So or silicon dioxide, silicon is a metal, mind you. So we'll remove our nail, and just for good luck we'll add it into there, and we'll dump our contents, if I can do this with one hand, all in to this. And we'll begin to boil. So as you can see, we do have quite a bit. No, it's just a little mixed in. But as we begin to boil, you'll notice that it will actually begin to emit some particles of the gold matter from the, well, I don't know, you can call it rust this far because we haven't tested it yet or melted it down. So for all intents and purposes, we know that we can say that it's rust at this point, but we're multiplying it regardless. So so we'll just call it rust for right now. This rust solution, since we haven't tested it yet. Just for my safety and your safety, we'll call it rust. We're just making rust. Because, you know, gold makers are, you know, few and far between, and their lives are in danger because, you know, everyone wants their gold and their secrets, and, you know, it's safer just to make rust and boil down rust. So this is obviously going to take a while as this heats up. So I will pause it quickly and come back when it begins to boil.